Unlock natural vision enhancement. Hi everyone, I'm Sviatoslav and today I'm excited to unveil a 7-step formula how to fix your vision in only 5 minutes a day that could tremendously enhance your eye health naturally. From easing eye muscle tension to mastering deep relaxation. Discover how these steps can restore your vision. Let's dive deeper into each strategy on a journey to clearer vision without relying on eyeglasses or contacts. Here's how you can potentially restore your vision to its best. First, ease muscle tension. The cornerstone of improving your eyesight is relieving your eye muscle from existing spasms and increasing their flexibility. Without regular eye exercises and relaxation, your eye muscles may remain tensed, hindering your vision improvement efforts. Second, boost blood flow. Blurry vision can sometimes signal inadequate blood circulation, while neck exercises are here to help. They might not be enough on their own. Incorporating full body exercises like squats can energize blood flow throughout your body, including your eyes, especially crucial for treating a condition like myopia by easing the spasm of oblique eye muscles. Third, neck exercises. To further enhance blood supply to your eyes and brain, incorporating neck exercises is vital. This ensures your eyes receive all the essential nutrients they need for optimal functioning. Pumping blood to the head increases brain functioning and eye recovery and renewal. Neck exercises help to relieve eye strain. Simply focus on your eyes feeling after screen time and do the neck exercises. You will feel how better your eyes feel after neck movements. Fourth, master relaxation. Learning to relax both your eyes and your body is critical. If you're unsure how to achieve deep relaxation, I've covered 5 effective methods in a video on my channel. Remember, your eyes need a break every 20 minutes of screen time, and proper blinking habits are essential to avoid eye strain. Fifth, improve breathing. Deep breathing is the key to ensuring a good oxygen supply to your body, including your eyes. Working on deep breathing techniques is something you will have to do on your own, but the effort is well worth it for the health benefits it brings. I'm using, for example, smartwatch where 1 minute deep breathing app notifying when to inhale and when to exhale. Or you can download the app on your phone to familiarize yourself technique with breathing. 6. Address psychological barriers. Lastly, tackling any psychological hurdles is essential. Stress and mental blocks can lead to tension and spasm in the eye muscles. Recognizing and overcoming these issues can significantly contribute to natural eyesight improvement through the development of relaxation habits. 7. Eyesight Academy course to transform your eyesight naturally. Join the online program to enhance your sight full potential naturally. Learn how to alleviate eye muscle tension and spasms, boost blood flow, and effectively relax both your eyes and body for optimal vision health. 8. Additional tips for eye health. Ensure your work and living areas have a good lighting to reduce eye strain. 10. Adjust your screen settings to reduce glare and ensure the text size is comfortable to read. 11. Keep your screens at eye level and about an arm's length away to avoid astigmatism. 12. Stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet, rich in vitamins and minerals, especially those beneficial for eye health like vitamin A, C, and E, and omega-3 fatty acids. For more insights and detailed guidance on each step, make sure subscribe to my channel. Together we can work towards better vision naturally.